Now what is this flash fill? Let's see how to make the use of this flash fill in our Excel sheet. Let's see. For this I am coming here in the sheet 2, flash fill. Now what is this flash fill and how we can make the use of this in our Excel sheet? Let's see. It automatically fills the value. Okay, it automatically fills the value. Let's see how it fills the value. Start with, these are some name of the actresses I have selected. Let's see what we can do of this. If I put here M, the first name of the actress and the second name of the capital of the actress after the space, select it and flash fill it. See, you can get all the actresses first and the second name of the second name first letter. The next is that if I select only the M Mode and select it and flash fill it, we will get only the first letters of the first names of the actresses. If you want only the last name, these are only the last names are got. We got only the last names. The next is that, for example, this thing happens when you go to the company and working for the HR and all, when the employees are in the when the employees are joined, for them the companies are giving the new email IDs which are created by the company. So in such situation, what happens if there are so many, a number of employees joined is in big in numbers. In such cases, you can automatically create here their email IDs. See, you can create the email ID of first employee, that is like this: Mude dot Adams Adams at the rate abcd.com. Okay, I'm just taking this abcd.com. You can make it gmail or outlook.com, or the companies has their special IDs. You can use that. I'm just, for your example purpose, I'm taking the abcd.com. This, then go select all the range of cells and flash fill it. Your IDs are creating automatically. The next is that if you have the email IDs and you want only the names to be taken out from the IDs, in such situation make it vice versa. Okay, give the space and Adams. Go and flash fill it. You will get the employee's name. Here I have taken the actress, but you will get the employee's name. Sometimes you get such types of IDs like US 2019 103 800. These are the IDs, and when if you want to separate this ID, US means United States, and these are the year. If you like to separate this ID, okay, in such situation you can make the use of this flash fill. Now here I'm making, see, 103 800, and just go and select. See, the IDs got separated from the year and the country name. So this is the use of the flash fill. You can make the next is a clear. Now what is mean by clear? Nothing means, the clear means deleting. Now what we can delete? We can delete either the content, full content of the table in one click, or we can remove only the formatting by keeping the content as it is. We can remove the comments, only the comments from the table, by keeping the content By keeping the formatting as it is, we can remove only the this comment. Now these are the comments. We can remove only the comments. Next, we can remove only the hyperlink. By leaving all the data, we can remove only the hyperlink. Now let's see this, in the detail, what we can clear in one shot, like, just one in one click. In one click from the table in one click we can clear is that, just select the data, whatever you wanted to remove, okay, and just go and clear all. Click on the clear all, everything will get clear. I'm undoing it. The next is that, again, the next is clearing only the format part, keeping the content and other thing as it is, just remove the format. Click on the format, our format is gone, our data and all is as it is. The next is the removing only the content, keeping the formatting and other thing as it is, and only remove the formatting part, content only remove the content, keeping the format part and all. Just click on the clearing the content, our content is gone. See, only the formatting is left for the only the formatting is left. The next is uh, the next is comment. Now you can see here there are some comments here. See the admin in this cell. In this cell also there is a comment. This comment I have just put for the explanation purpose, but there are the comments. When person is working on the data in the table, then the person has to, sometimes they keep the comment. So for their easy working, sometimes they put the comment. So these are the comments. While final, sometimes you have to remove that comment also when you once you done with the working. So I have put it here some comments. So in this table, once one click you can remove the only the comments, leaving the rest of the thing as it is. Click on the comments, clear the comments, your comments will get clear, and rest of the data is as it is. Yeah. Then the next is the thing, hyperlink. Now these are our hyperlink. Okay, now what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is this one, that this is the file is there in my system. Okay, in the D drive under the data set folder, insurance CV, this file is my there in my computer under the D drive under the folder data set, insurance CV file my is there. So just in one click my file will go there. This will this will take me to my original file, this insurance Excel. Okay, so this is called the hyperlink. In this situation, second situation, my file is stored in the D drive, download transferred sample superstone. Let's click and see. See, this is my sample superstone file. In one click we can go there. Therefore sometimes it is need to create the hyperlink. Now how to create the hyperlink? In just once, I'll just tell in short that, click here. Okay, right click the mouse, and here you can see there is a link. Okay, just click on the link. Once you clicked on the link, it will come, another pop-up window will come here. So you can select which file you want to hyperlink. Okay, these are the current file, browsed file which you have browsed, and the recent file. You can link anyone. Okay, suppose the browsed file, I will select now, for example, this. Okay, I'll make it okay. See, the link is created here. Once you click here, they will direct you, it will get directed towards that file where this file is located in one click. Now our thing is the clearing. Only you need to create the, you want here only to clear the hyperlink. Just select the data and click only on the hyperlink. Okay, clear the hyperlink, your hyperlink will get clear. The one thing is that, when you go to this cell, when you take your cursor, now you can see here the plus sign is coming with the cursor. If I see, If I go here with my cursor here, you can see the cursor is with the arrow. But when I take this here, the cursor is with the plus sign. But when I take it here, the cursor is the showing it's a hand. Okay, it's showing the hand. If I take it here, it's showing again the plus sign. So once it is showing the hand, this means your hyperlink is still there. It is there, and after clicking, the file will go. It will direct it to the your original file where your file is there. This, once you click here, it will link. This is linked to the another folder. It's showing the location of the file where your file is located. So once you click here, it will direct you to that file location, and your file will get open. Once, if you don't want this hyperlink, just select it, go and make it the clear hyperlink. Now you can see that your hand is not coming here because this is not linked to that folder. If it is linked to that folder, then it would have taken, but it is, since it is hand is not coming, and you have removed the hyperlink. Another way of removing the hyperlink is that, okay, this is a hyperlink. Now just click it here, go here, and just go and remove the hyperlink. See, our hyperlink is gone. There is no link is there. But however, here for this cell there is a link, for this cell there is a no link. So therefore this tab is there, remove the hyperlink. Okay, so in this clear topic, only this much was there. Okay, so therefore our clear topic is over.